Hi guys, for today's video, magluluto tayo ng ulam ng chicken garlic soy sauce guys. So, samahan niyo ako guys magluto. Guys, ito na yung ating chicken. Boneless yan guys. Nilagyan natin ng paminta, asin at saka kunting harina. Tapos ayun guys, pinag-fried na natin. Ayan. Ay, pumipitik. Ito naman guys yung sauce natin. Water of course. Meron niyang oyster at saka dark soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil. Tapos naglagay na rin ako ng cornstarch guys para medyo malapot-lapot yan. Ito na nga guys, at na natin i-fry yung ating chicken. Light lang yung pagka-fried guys kasi lulutuin pa natin later. Ilagay na natin yung garlic natin guys. And then yung ating soy sauce. So, kuluin pa natin yan guys. Guys, ito na ang finished product ng ating chicken garlic soy sauce, guys. Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.